In today's video, we're talking about the twos. The Mavic Air 2, the Mavic 2 Pro, and the Mini 2. Cue the music. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. If you like drones, you like tech, you like looking at more the professional side and a bit more fun, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we're giving you information, updates and news about what's happening in the drone world. Now today we are talking about the twos, the Mavic Air 2, the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mini 2. All these drones are capable, they're fantastic, I love them, but they all have different purposes. And I've noticed some updates on Facebook recently in all these groups that people are talking about which drone should I buy, which drone is the best one for me, should I go for the Air 2, should I go for the 2 Pro, should I go for the Mini 2? Well, it's up to you, but what I've done is I've been out filming today and I've taken some video from each of these and you can look at it yourself. I've taken all the video in 4K, 30 frames per second and in auto mode, which is not something which I usually do because I always shoot in manual. But for this purpose, I think it's good for you to just see how good it looks and you can make your own decisions yourself. So without further ado, here's the footage. I hope you enjoy it. If this helps you, please smash that like, make sure you subscribe to the channel and fly safe.